Timmy.
Hello, team.
Yes.
Hi. Hi, team. Yes. Hi. Roman.
This is Clay. This is Josh. And Clay here from Baby Patrol. So, good afternoon everyone. Thank you for coming sa ating single launching ng single ni Miss Timmy. Her latest single under Star Music. Since Timmy Patrol is here and they want to air it tonight.
Always nice to see you.
Nice to see you making music.
Para po makuha na lang. I love it.
Maganda na song. Very catchy.
Okay, we shot. So we'll proceed with the launch and the press interview. So Miss Tini will be answering your questions po and then she'll render the song
Yes.
live.
So, magandang hapon. Diba? Ganun na kaagad. Kaya, palakpak muna tayo sa ating mga sarili. I know so many things are happening, so many people are speaking, so much noise going on, so much bad stuff going on, but I feel that you and I, we have the capacity, we have the capability to neutralize all these things. I think that life is good, life is beautiful, because you and I can make the choice. We can choose beauty over, what is the opposite of beauty? What is the opposite of beauty? Okay. We can choose to be happy as opposed to what?
Sad.
Right? We can do that, right? We can choose good over what?
Bad.
Over bad, that's right. We can choose to let go instead of holding on.
Holding
Right?
on.
Holding on.
Stay.
We can choose to stay in the present as opposed to staying in the past, right?
past.
We can choose to move on instead of, right? Instead of staying stagnant, instead of staying stuck.
Back.
And that is what makes life beautiful. When we can choose. We can choose, we can make a choice. And before I proceed, I really want to sing the song for all of you. Pwede?
Yes.
Earlier, we can choose to be happy and we can choose to make our lives. We are the ones who make our lives. In my case, I really have learned. I have learned to let go of the past and just stay in the present. I feel if you stay in the present and enjoy the moment, then life will always be good. So that's basically my inspiration, is my personal journey, my life. I know that other people love me so much, but the best thing is I love myself first, diba? So when you love yourself first, then people will be automatically attracted to you. Love will be attracted to you. Peace will be attracted to you. Happiness, good fortune, and most of all, good health. And then sharing the songs, sharing the music, sharing the good vibes and the good feelings, the good wishes. That is basically the inspiration. So for me, kahit na ano mangyari, I'm saying this with all conviction and all commitment na kahit na ano ang nagaganap sa ating buhay. Personally, sa ating pamilya, sa ating bansa, sa buong mundo, we have a choice na maging maganda ang life natin. We shouldn't blame anyone. We should be responsible for our life, for our happiness. So I am the author of my life. And every page of my life, no matter how small and simple the moment is, it is meaningful and valuable to me. Feeling good, can't you see? Yeah. Physically, doctor-wise and everything, my doctor said that I'm okay. So if my doctor says I'm okay, okay na rin yun sa akin, di ba? But yeah, I'm in tip-top shape right now, and God willing, I will stay there, di ba? So I'm taking care of myself, not just physically, but most of all, emotionally and spiritually.
Miss Timmy, can you just
Once upon a time, sometime in 2016, I was doing a teleserye and I had a break, a 5-hour break, and we were taping in a hospital. And since we had a break, I told myself, nandito ka sa hospital, ano kaya? Magpa-check up ka na rin. So I used that 5-hour break to go to the hospital and have a checkup. But when I called my doctor, sabi niya, hindi pa raw ako due for checkup. I kind of found it medyo off kasi normally when I tell my doctor na magpapa-check up na ako, okay. But this time, she said I had to wait for 1 month. So in that 1 month, I was kind of wondering, since this is like really off, I said, something must be going on. And then I was looking at my face in the mirror, and then I was looking at my eyes, because I always look at my eyes to see if it's shining. That's my practice. And at that time, my eyes are parang medyo mapungay, matamlay, and I know na pag meron kang nararamdaman, yun ang unang nakikita medyo mapungay yung mga mata. So, I had a checkup after 1 month, and one of the checkup I had was a mammogram. And the mammogram showed that I had a growth in my left breast. And immediately I had it checked, and I had a biopsy, and that was it. My doctor, who's my friend, sabi niya sa akin, usually, sinasabi niya sa akin, okay, come and call, just call me up. Usually, ganun lang call me up. But this time, sabi niya sa akin, I want to see you in person. So, it's like thunder, lightning, in my head. Because pag sinabing, I want to see you in person, that means, kailangan kita makita para ipaliwanag ko sa'yo. So, it was a weekend at that time. Sabi ko sa kanya, maghihintay pa ako na hanggang Monday. Sabi mo na sa akin ngayon, I'm all grown up, kaya ko na yan, ganyan. And so she said, it is. It is. So, yung word na it is, wow, the world came tumbling down. Jack and Jill went up the hill. And Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. And my whole world seemed to crumble at that moment. But I told myself, get a hold of yourself. Get a hold of yourself. You're not dead yet. You're still here. And there are things that you can do. But of course, for a few days I was really lost. And it was like, when you're standing on the rug, tapos parang may humila ng rug. Parang ganun yung feeling ko. Parang hindi ako maka-up and everything. The floor seemed to be moving and everything. But I kept telling myself, get a hold of yourself. And at that time, I was already a meditator. So I told myself, kung talagang meron kang natututunan sa meditation, sige nga, i-practice mo. Practice that. So that's what I did. I stayed in the moment and I connected with God in meditation, quietly, not really asking any questions. I stopped myself from asking questions. So all I did was, I said in my conversation with God, our Creator, sabi ko sa Kanya, you gave this to me and you have given me so much. I have been through so much. You've been with me all this time. I know that you will take care of me. So with that, I held on to that faith that God will take care of me, that everything will be all right. And just day by day, what I did was I spliced each day into hours, and I spliced each hour to minutes, and each minute to milliseconds. And I just lived that way, one step at a time, one thought at a time. And whatever negative thought I had, I would just chuck it in a big ocean, in my imagination and in my mind. And that helped me go through. And of course, I did everything that the doctor advised me to do, and I even got a second opinion, a third opinion, and at the end of the day, I had to follow my own decision. Cancer is the deadliest na yata, no? One of the deadliest diseases. And I owned it. I owned my cancer. I talked to my cancer. Sabi ko sa kanya, I don't want you to be inside of me, but since you are here, I am embracing you. But I will do my best in every way. And I'm so blessed that I had a good team of doctors and financially that I was capable of doing what I needed to do. And I had the presence of mind to follow everything. Because that's what it needs. It needs conviction. Mahal mo ba talaga yung sarili mo? Or mahihiya ka kung sabihin sa mga tao? So I asked for emotional support from friends. They all came, family, even other people came to bless me, doctors, everyone. So I had surgery. I didn't need to have surgery. That's what 2 doctors said, but I decided to have surgery. I said goodbye to my left breast. I had a ceremony on my own. It's hard being a woman, having one of your parts and the most womanly part of all to be removed. But I lived through it. So here I am today. I'm still woman, all woman. Kahit may nabawas, I'm still all woman.
Ang ganda ng life.
Ang ganda ng life. Kaya ang ganda ng life.
And one last question for me. Gaano ka excited for people to be able to hear your music again? And just going back and
Super duper. Punin nyo ang ganda ng life because it will bring you hope. It will bring you freedom. It will give you happiness. Alam ko na maraming nahihirapan. Alam ko na maraming pinakasan ng maraming tao. I can't say that I've been there. Hindi ko alam kung anong pinagdadaanan ninyo. But I empathize with you. Through this song, I empathize with you. And I want to tell you that there is hope. There is hope. God is in charge. God loves you so much. Everything, I'm saying it, everything will be all right.
strong woman